Hello guys and girls, welcome to iFactner.com video tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about types of computer networks. We can say that we can classify computer networks according to different types. We can say that we have got a home-based computer network, we have got an office-based computer network, we have got a branch-based computer network, and we have got suppliers-based computer network, etc. and etc. But one very easy way to classify the computer networks is according to the size of the network. And according to this classification, we can classify the computer networks into three different networks based on their sizes. Number one is LAN, number two is MAN, and number three is WAN. And LAN is the smallest, and it is known as local area network. Then comes the MAN. We are not talking about the MAN, we are talking about the MAN in computer terms, and it means metropolitan area network. And on number three we have got wide area network. So let's start with LAN. LAN means local area network, the network which is based in a building. For example, if you have a small network in your house, then you have got local area network. Let us suppose we have got a desktop computer, and your brother has a laptop computer, your sister has a tablet, and your dad has a mobile phone. But there is only one printer available in the house, and we all want to utilize that printer. An easy way is that we connect the printer with our computer, and all the other devices are connected to our computer. Now our computer is acting as a server, as a print server in this case, and now we can all utilize the resource, that is the printer, with the help of our local area network. And we can also develop a LAN in our house to share data. Let us suppose we have got a smart TV, and we have got a recorder, and we record films on that recorder. Later on we want to access those films with our computer or laptop or tablet, and then we can connect all these devices to that recorder and access the data, that is films or any programs on the TV that has been recorded on our recorder. And this also gives us the example of local area network, and in this case we are sharing data. In the first case we were sharing resource, that is the printer, and in the second case we are sharing data, that is their films. So guys and girls, similarly, if we have got a small office that is in one building, then that office and different computers in that office has been connected together, then it is also an example of LAN. So LAN is a local area network usually confined to a single business. And next on we will be discussing about MAN. Thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. I see you in next tutorial, and if you would like to read more about computer networking, then you can visit KHYoungerGame. Take care. Please subscribe. Bye.